let me take this opportunity to share the things again with them. Okay, so today we will talk about the something, a few some points I am written down. Like we talk about the about ISM India, what we are, what we does, and we have the e-learning platform to provide the e-learning certifications on a very quick way. You can complete these certifications, and one is the CPP, which today our focus area, the CPP certification. So today we will, my focus point is the CPP to present the things, and our we have international certifications also, so we can keep the different session or other session on the same, because they that have the lots of things to share with you. So about ISM India, ISM India is an affiliate of ISM USA, which is the oldest organization in the world, that set up in 1915. In the field of supply management, they are doing the certifications, training, consulting, right? And is a center of excellence basically. And ISM India is a partner of United Nations and the World Bank also, right? They also having the certification in the field of procurement and supply chain both. In the so we are dealing with the private sectors and public sectors both. So we have the certifications from World Bank, which suits the requirement of the public procurement domain, right? So this is all about the ISM India on the broader way. So because we don't have much time, so I'm not reading full, just give you the fairly idea about the same. So what ISM India does, we have many things, many activities in ISM India, but these are the major key pillars of ISM India. First is the competency assessment test. So when you talk about the competency assessment, it comes to the individual also, it comes to the organizations level also. So when you talk about the organizations level, because we are mostly dealing with the organizations for competency assessment. So for the group, we assess the competency, like in which they are lacking, in which they have the strength and points. So based on that, we find the gap of area, like in which area they need the improvements. So based on that, we design the training programs, we design the certifications, and this could be useful for the recruitment for their organizations. Right. Next is the professional certifications. So if when we talk about the professional certification in the supply chain, procurement and supply chain, there's only few certifications come in our mind which on the international level. One of them is the CPSM and IPSM. I mean IPSM also. CPSM comes from ISM USA, which is, as I told you, like the oldest organization in the world, set up in 1915. And the second one is the IPSCM, which is the International Professional and Supply Chain Management. That comes from ITC Geneva, which is the United Nations body. And if you talk about the credibility and you have something from the United Nations, then I don't think so anybody should ask anything else about of this. Next is the capacity development. So the capacity development basically we and the training programs per se. So we are providing the capacity development and the training program certifications for the same, right? So based on the competency assessment test of the organizations, we will provide the training programs wherever they needed, and that could be the tailor made based on the discussion of from the stakeholder of the organizations. Fourth is the just a minute, just writing some. Okay, fourth one is the procurement and SM consultancy. So we are in the field of consultancy also, consulting basically. So in the consulting firm, what we are doing is like we have done one project for government of India as well, and many of the organizations, which is the MNCs, we have done on the basis of like spend analysis and you can see the transformation of procurement 1.0 to 4.0. So this is the consulting we are providing. Today's we will discuss about the virtual academy. right? ISM India set up a virtual academy to facilitate online access to various e-learning certifications, e-certifications per se. Because nowadays it's difficult to get the certificate, which could be the physical. That's not possible nowadays. The scenario is changed. So the e-learning certificate is the best, and you might be heard and you might be seen last 3 2 months. We have seen like there are a lot of e-learning certificates coming up, coming into the market. But we have done this e-learning platform last 3 to 4 years. We are running this. So this plays a key role in the fast tracking the skill development of the individuals. So when we talk about the skill development, when due to this pandemic, I mean this is very bad things to we very worst thing we have seen our lifetime. It's not much, but yes, even our parents and their parents also not have seen like this. So due to this pandemic, now the things we have to rethink about our lifestyle, about our skills, about our thought process basically. So when we talk about our skills, so that is directly linked with the requirements, what company needed. So skills is based on that. So skills we always used to say learn, unlearn and learn. So whatever we learn in the colleges or maybe 2 3 years back, that may be not useful in today's scenario. So we have to upgrade our skills in the specific function where you are working. So to improving your skills, we are providing this features you can easily improve, because this is industry driven courses we are coming up with. This is not like the academic things around. You have, because academic you have already done a lot of things around. You have very good knowledge of the academic. You have passed your business schools and other part of the colleges. You have completed your academic. But now talk about the skills, particular functions, right? So for this, we have set up the things. You can go ahead with this, right? So here I would like to focus on our skills only. So for the skills, we have e-learning certifications. I would just introducing you. One thing I remember, like Mr. Batra, who's the CEO of the company, always used to say like disrupt yourself, otherwise other will disrupt you. So disrupt means you have to learn the things. Everybody should learn new things and disrupt ourselves with the new things around. So this is the first one of the certificate from our e-learning platform called CPSS, Certified Professional in Strategic Sourcing. Whosoever dealing with the strategic sourcing function, this is the most useful certificate. Many of, I mean, more than 3,000 people registered for the this particular course, and it's a good part. Like many companies sponsoring the program for their employees. More than 100 companies we have connecting for the CPSS only, right? And currently pursuing around 700, as you have seen this. So strategic sourcing is basically enhance the efficiency and value, ultimately impacting the profitability of your entire organization, because we all are talking about the profit only, right? When we in the business, right? So this is only the profit is the key mantra of the organizations, right? In any you talk about it. Okay, there is a pop-up. Just sorry, who's the new? Okay.
No problem.
So in this online,
forward.
okay, sure. So in this online certifications, you will learn how to develop and implement a procurement strategy that aligns with your overall competitive strategy. As in the introduction itself, I told you guys the procurement is the very strategic function. Is not like the earlier days. It is very strategic function. You have to make the strategy for everything, either for sourcing, for the procurement, for the negotiation. So it is the very structured program. This is the totally self-paced program. So you can come, you can join anytime, whenever you want. The maximum duration is 6 months. So based on your availability, you can complete this certification whenever you want. Like this is the benefit of e-learning certification, which is the 100% e-learning, right? So the next one is the, I'm giving the just introduction about the same. The for full detail, we'll share the details with you separately on the individual basis, right? So the next is the ABP. So right now, I mean nowadays, not right now, nowadays before 2 3 years back, I can say that you must be heard about the word blockchain in a very enormous way. Uh, People talk about the blockchain, what is blockchain, how it will be benefited to the organizations, and now it is the smartest way to do the contract basically. Right now, many of the organizations develop the smart contract based on the blockchain. So the blockchain, the very good things of the blockchain is the transparency, right? And connected all nodes. Nodes means all the person who is involving in this, they can see that what is going on, right? So there is no one can theft anything, no one can thief anything, no one can hide anything. It is totally transparent. So this is a blockchain concept coming in the market. And the very good thing is the smart contract, it is already done on the base of blockchain. So we have the certification of understanding of blockchain technology for procurement and SCM professionals. So this is very good because the future is on the blockchain only. Blockchain, our finance department is also moving to the blockchain because of the transparency. Even on the government sectors, also many sectors coming on the blockchain. I heard somewhere like on this land sector is going on the blockchain. So all records, no one can play with the records. So you should have flavor of this blockchain because the future is this. So next one is the CPP certificate, which is the uh, focus point for today basically. So here is the just an idea I'm giving you, and later on I'll cover more things about CPP certificate. So this is like a CPP certificate is basically, obviously all the certificate are online, 100% online courses, and this is basically for middle level managers, directors, senior level managers, and the CPOs, CFOs. So for those, it is very uh, useful certificate because in the CPP certificate, we have covered all the aspects, all the verticals which could be helpful for the procurement. Either it is sourcing, negotiation, risk, legal, contract management. So all the things we have covered in this CPP certificate. And this certificate is developed with the Accenture because, as I told you, this is the all the certifications are industry driven, not the academic or something like that. This is the industry driven. We discuss with the industry, many of the industry, and Accenture. We sit with Accenture and develop the course content for the same. So many people already joined this. Many companies is sponsoring this program, and currently pursuing number is also good. But we want like this would be more. You also join this program. Next is the APP certificate. See, when you talk about the CPP certificate, which is the middle level and the senior level managers, but we don't earlier we don't have anything for the beginners, right? So we come up with again with the Accenture with the beginner for the beginners APP certificate, accredited procurement professional certificate. So this is for the executives level, beginners level, and somewhere middle level where the knowledge is like they left up with their colleges, they want just start from the scratch. So for them, it is very much required, right? So as this is also joined by many people, and you can also join this. I will share with you the details of this again. So now the CPP, we will talk about this is the focus point of today, certified procurement professional. Just so as I told you, this is a 100% online course. Like 100% means you don't have to go on test centers because our e-learning other certifications like international certificate called CPSM and IPSCM, where you need to go on the test centers to take the exams because those are the proctor based exam in that. So on the same standard, we kept the standard same as CPSM has, but this is totally online. You can take the exams from anywhere from your home anytime, right? So that's why it is 100% online course, ideal for the procurement professional in any industry who are responsible for creating competitive environments and identifying cost saving opportunity. As initially I told you, the procurement is not cost center, this is the profit center. So because you guys give got the opportunity to saving the money of the organizations, you negotiate a lot. So with that process, you are the profit center. It is also must for the professionals who are responsible for supply chain processes and developing strategies to support the supply chain performance. As you know that every job requires a specific set of knowledge and skills, and this varies depending on the type of complexity of the job. So complexity of the job, procurement is quite complex. I can say that because there are lots of process or steps are involved in the procurement itself. So CPP certificate is all about providing a way of building and skills the knowledge people needs to perform their current job, right? And this based on the current scenario, because scenarios also has been changed now. We have to, as I told you, the rethink about the process. Earlier, nobody talk about the digitalization that much. Whenever we propose to any organization to transformation, they just not that much happy because the workflow has been shifted to one person to another person. Some people may lost the jobs around. So, but now because of this pandemic, organization has to move, has to go on the digitalization. So I'll share the story after this. Yesterday I had a discussion with one of the big pharma company, who's the Asia logistics head. So I had a good discussion with him. So he shared with me the experience of his, like how he handled in the pandemic time of the logistics part and the procurement part. I'll share with you the story after this. So it is like happened like about the CPP, what is and how it is beneficial to you, and why undergo the CPP certification. So this is, as I told you, this is very much credible for you. This certification programs developed in the cooperation with Accenture to suit the need of the procurement professionals at middle level management level or the senior level. It's not mentioned, but it is there. It is a benchmark for industries to establish if potential candidate has the relevant skills and knowledge in the field. So we will provide you all the knowledge and insights basically which you can use in your current job, right? So this is, again, this is happened because this is industry driven. This is company are doing this, right? So by passing the CPP certifications, you will join an elite group of professionals who have demonstrated a commitment to excellence in the procurement field. And one good example we have today with like Mr. Bala has completed their CPP journey, CPP certification, and you can discuss with him also. Benefits to individual, although I have already covered this, but again, just acquire competency to face and solve the complex challenge in the procurement function. I mean, once complete the CPP certification, you will able to solve the complex challenges of the procurement, because you will have to get the knowledge about the bits and pieces. So, I mean, there's some chat. Just let me. Okay. So increase your earning potentials and credibility in your profession. And obviously, once you have the CPP certification, CPP journey, you will be the different than others, the visible from your peers. Because now world, in today's world, there's the only word which is useful, the visibility. If you visible out of your group, then you will be able to survive, and you can do anything, whatever you want or achieve. Provides you with knowledge to strategize the profession to add values in the procurement chain. The next is benefits to the organization. This is again, this also I have covered. More profitable and sustainable process to optimize the procurement function. as I mentioned, like there's a cost and profit center. So in the procurement function, you have to uh, implement those process which could be helpful for the companies to make the profit and sustainable things around. Mitigate procurement risk. Risk is the major factor. Any time it could be happen. So with this CPP certification, you will able to know how to mitigate the risk, because some risk could be happen, and every time the risk will be there. So you should know how to mitigate those risks. Add value to supply chain, because procurement is the major function of the supply chain. You have to uh, add value in this. How? Because once you done the procurement very well, the value is automatically goes on of the supply chain, right? So about the CPP certification, I mean, what points it covered around. So the points, I mean, time is not much, but I'm just spread out those things around. Evolution of the procurement and supply management. This is the first one. And understanding the procurement supply management cycle. What process and what things involved in the procurement supply management. So the whole cycle you will be able to know this on the on the foundation level, also on the biggest level also, right? Key objective of procurement and supply management. Overview of solicitation processes, learning strategic supply management process, strategic cost management to optimize the cost. Always focus on the cost, right? Through the negotiation, through anything, through change the processes on that. Contract management to ensure compliance and risk mitigation. Again, you should know about how to mitigate the risk. Supply relationship management to understanding strategy, sourcing, and implementation, and obviously the legal implementation of the procurement. So now come on the like how to enroll for the e-learning certification. Uh, Anyone has question or okay? So how to enroll for e-learning certification? So it's like is very nominal fee also, and the process is also very easy to enroll for the e-learning certifications of any e-learning, not about the CPP, is any certifications you can join with the help of like once the step one is the membership. You need to take the membership, which is only 2100 rupees annually. I'm again repeating it, its annual fees is 2100 rupees. It's very nominal. I will explain you the how much benefit it's cover. Enroll for any learning certifications and pay a free and pay the fee accordingly. Whenever you feel like I'm interested for this program, you can make the fee and join this. Start your journey, right? So this is the all about the membership benefit I'm talking about. So once you become a member of ISM India, which costs only 2100 rupees for a year. The first point I'm taking is the ISM India website. Obviously, we have the My Training section. There's a you can learn for any certifications. You can have notes over there on the ISM India website, right? Webcast. One thing, the webinar we are conducting every month, twice or thrice, even fourth time in a month. So those webinars are free of cost for members. And after the webinar, we are uploading those recorded version on our YouTube channel. You can visit, you can watch those videos. Once you become the member, you can have free access on those webcasts. You can anytime watch those videos, even our website. Weekly newsletter of very trending news. Whatever in the supply chain and procurement happen in the world level, on the global side I'm talking about. So those weekly newsletter also e-newsletter you will get on the weekly basis, Monday or Tuesday. I think you will receive this. Monthly magazine. This is Insights magazine coming from ISM USA. They research a lot for this magazine and including all the hot topics in this. So this will also you will get free of cost once you become a member. And one thing we have added last month, you can say that, one playbook. So you will get the access on the playbook where two tools are there by which you can analyze, assess your negotiation style, because on the daily basis you are negotiating a lot in your procurement function, but you should know like how style you have, because there's a 3 to 4 style of negotiation, logical, strategic negotiation, logical, tough, warm. So what styles you have, right? You can easily get this, and this would be free of cost for members. Networking events, we are conducting events very frequently, COP meetings, because we are giving you the networking is the one word. So we are giving you the opportunity to connect with the peers, right? So nowadays the only key mantra is the networking. If you connected well with your peers, that would be, you can use those opportunity anytime, right? Support like webinars for any courses, we are conducting webinars, you can join free of cost. Mentoring calls, if you, this is the main benefit or the major benefit of this. Like if you feel you have a difficulty in any course and in any topics, you can just call us. We will arrange a call with the trainer and you can discuss with them, right? This features will be free of cost for members. Helpline, I mean, this you can call us anytime. Job assistance, because we have the network of people, so any jobs request comes to us from any organization, we are passing on to our members. E-learning, as I explained already. So I mean, yes, the benefit part I'm talking about, CPSS and blockchain certification are free of cost available for members. Again, repeating it, CPSS, strategic sourcing and blockchain certification are free of cost for members. Once you become a member, then you will get the access on this free of cost. There is no charges at all. CPP, APP negotiation, obviously the paid certification. We will let you know the how cost is this and other part. So for this, I mean, this is uh, the very few companies I put it down because the space is not allowed much, to whom we are in connected with the certifications, with training, with consulting. These are the few snapshot of the companies. So thank you again, Mr. Montu, Mr. Bala, and to all of you to patient hearing. And if any question, you can just let me know. I'll be happy to answer.